Okay, it's 2026 and you want to get into cybersecurity and you're wondering how do you get into cybersecurity? What if I tell you there's a program that can save you almost $10,000 and you get into cybersecurity with full scholarship? Yes, that is the program I want to walk you through now. Now you can see I'm on Google right now and I went to the AI mode and I just typed in Inegben Academy GRC program, right? And you can see it's spelling it out here. The Inegben Academy GRC program is a highly competitive 4 month practical scholarship training focused on governance, risk, and compliance within the cybersecurity sector. Now, let me explain this. So, first, GRC, which is governance, risk, and compliance, is a non-technical arm of cybersecurity, right? So these professionals they deal with compliance, regulations, assessing risk, mitigating risk, right? Helping the company avoid unnecessary regulatory issue, data breach issue, and a lot of stuff, right? That is what they do. Now, previously, this program used to be 4 months, but currently now it is 6 months, right? It is 6 months now. So Google has not updated their whatever, right? So now it's as of January 2026, the program is currently in its onboarding and resumption phase. And yes, that is totally true. But the second phase to this is that application for this particular January cohort has closed. Now we are making this video to prep you ahead of time so that you can be aware of the June application window. We are going to create another video once it is the June application window. But we want you to know that there is a program that helps you get into GRC with full scholarship. Now, this is the cost, right? It is breaking down. These were the previous things offered, and the cost is totally free, but it's telling you the value of what you are getting for free. Curriculum, you are getting to learn documentation, risk management, compliance framework, strategy, emerging technologies, and blah, 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 and blah. Now, this is the program we are talking about. So I will click into it now and I would show you. So this program is run by Inegben Academy, and at Inegben Academy, the focus is to train, equip, mentor, and deploy very skilled practical professionals who are both balanced in theoretical understanding and practical application of whatever they've learned. So this is the program, right? And current cohort is 11 days away from starting. But we are making this video to make you aware that you can get ahead by of the June application window. What do you need to do? Simple. Follow Inegben Academy on LinkedIn. Follow Inegben Academy on Instagram. These are the two surest way to get aware once the application link is out again. This current cohort within 1 week had thousands of applications. We have admitted 1,742 candidates who are resuming this next cohort starting 11 days from now. It is kicking off on the 23rd of January, right? So you don't want to be not aware of the next application window. Believe me. You know what you're getting? You're getting package worth of almost $10,000 in terms of tools, resources, mentorship, everything, and it's totally free scholarship, covered by scholarship, full scholarship. You're not paying a dime. So, are you ready for the next cohort? If you're ready, subscribe, follow, then stay away ahead of the next cohort. Have a lovely 2026. Bye.